Which of the following is not stated in relation to the capitalism in the Roman time? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that deals with capitalism in the Roman time. So let's answer this question in that context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, refusal of the wealthy class to participate in trading activities. The second paragraph mentions that the patricians were wealthy individuals and they considered trading beneath their dignity. So refusal of the wealthy class to participate in trading, this factor is mentioned in the context of the Roman capitalism. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, corporations wanting to indemnify themselves against losses. The second paragraph has reference to insurance, which indicates indemnification against losses. So this factor is mentioned. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, rising needs for the manufacturing of household artifacts. The passage has reference to furniture making, leather work, stone working, food processing, etc. So it can be inferred that the rising needs for the manufacturing of household artifacts is a factor mentioned in the context of the Roman capitalism. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, declining agricultural output and farmers' engagement in trade activities. The passage has a reference to agrarian society, but it doesn't suggest that the agricultural output was declining. Also, the passage makes no suggestion regarding farmers and their trading activities. So this answer choice is not established in the passage. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, businesses need to borrow money. The passage has a reference to banks making loans. So this factor is mentioned. Let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer.